Blossom's music class. Hi friends, we are going to add our boots and cats to a cool song about fishing because it's springtime. All right, so we're gonna remind ourselves what we're saying in the background. Can you repeat after me? Boots and cats. Ready and go.
Boots and cats.
Now can we just start at a slow tempo and say it over and over. Boots and cats and
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats.
You keep on saying it.
Cats and boots and
Now can you put a little boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats. Great. Now, can you do pats with me, and then on the 6th count, you're gonna put your hands up. Okay, ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. Keep going. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a trout on a hook. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a trout on the hook. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a trout on the hook. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a trout on the hook. Freeze. Will you please say it with me? And right now we're gonna all say trout on the hook, but I want you, while you're doing this, I want you to think of something else that you could catch out of the water, out of a brook. A brook is a little teeny stream. It's smaller than a river. So, can we say it? Ready and go. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a trout on the hook. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a trout on the hook. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a trout on the hook. Good job. So this time I want you, just when we get to the hands up, I want you guys to yell out anything that you can catch on the hook, and everybody's gonna say something different. We're just creating. There are no wrong answers. It can be silly. It can be something that you actually can find in a brook. I hope it's not too bad. There's not too much pollution, too much litter, but let's get it out of the brook, okay? Ready and go. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a bass on the hook. Good. Let's think of something else. Come up with another idea. Ready and go. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a tiger on the hook. Oh wow. So this time I'm going to have my friends over here do boots and cats and boots and cats, and you're going to not say anything when you put your hands up, but you're going to hear what I'm saying. Okay? So let's get our beginning going. Intro, go.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and
Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a tire on the hook. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a tire on the hook. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a tire on the hook. Woo, woo, that was great. Oh my goodness. Do I have anybody that wants to come from this side and we'll do boots and cats? You wanted to say yours? Okay. All right, ready? Ready and go. Boots and cats and boots and cats. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a
polar bear
on the hook. Daddy fishing in the brook, catch a polar bear on the hook. Daddy fishing in the brook. Catch a pole bear on the hook. Great job. All right, does anybody else want to share theirs?
Sure.
All right. All right, can you guys, you guys be the boots and cats. Ready and go.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats.
Daddy fishing in a brook. Caught a beluga whale on a hook. Daddy fishing on a hook.
Caught a beluga whale on a hook.
Daddy.
Very good. Okay, anybody else? Oh, Miss Winkler. Ready and go.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and
Boots and
cats and
cats and
Daddy fishing on the brook. Got a fishing hat on the hook. Daddy fishing on the brook. Got a fishing hat on the hook.
Nice. Thank you, Miss Baird.
boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats.
Daddy's fishing on the brook. Caught a
Tennis ball.
on the hook. Daddy fishing in the brook. Catch a
Tennis ball.
on the hook. Yeah. Wanna do it?
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and
Ready? Daddy fishing on the hook. Catch a
Dorito
on the hook. Daddy fishing in the brook. Catch a Dorito on the hook. Nice. So you guys, this is something you can do all on your own. Just go at it. All right. Can't wait to hear it. Bye.